Let's make this beautiful bookmark today. I am using a 3-ply acrylic yarn and a 3.25 mm hook. So let's start with a magic ring. And chain 3. Then 2 double crochet into the ring. 1 and 2. Then chain 2 and make a single crochet in the ring. Then chain 2 and make 2 double crochet in the ring. Again, chain 2 and make a single crochet in the ring. Let's do it once again. Make 2 more petals. Now, after finishing 5 petals, cut the yarn and pull it back through the very first chain. And pull the other yarn end to close the magic circle. Now make a double knot. And the flower is completed. I made all in rainbow colors. Now I'm making a tassel. I take a visiting card and wrap the yarn 20 times around the card. Now cut the tassel. And also cut some extra yarn to complete the tassel. Using a needle, I sew it. Then adding some pearls. Then turn by turn I am attaching the flowers and adding pearls in the center of each flower. It's so easy to make and looks beautiful. I hope you liked the tutorial. Check out my channel for different crochet tutorials. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.